Hey, good morning. I'm Dr. Deuk with Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with a patient who's traveled from Colorado. And this is your second visit to our clinic because she originally came with a problem with an artificial disc in her back that popped out, and we had to fuse her spine to keep it from coming all the way out. And I think she's done well with that. On the other hand, she's developed over the years damage to her thoracic spine, a few discs. And you still have that pain today?
No. In fact, after the surgery, I haven't felt any pain in that area at all. I'm laying in bed last night and I'm like, I still don't have any pain. And honest to God, it's the first time in 50 years.
She had the Deuk laser disc repair done yesterday, endoscopic, transforaminal, with laser-assisted debridement of the annulus, removing the herniation. And you can see the procedure here where we went in and we used the laser to clean out the herniation and clean up the tear. There was a lot of scar tissue around the herniations and calcification, holding them in there, not letting them go away. So we helped the body heal. Here you are. When did you first realize your thoracic pain that you had for 50 years was gone?
We were eating an early dinner and I'm sitting at a restaurant and I'm like, I have no pain. And then laying in bed last night, I'm like, I have no pain. It's just unbelievable because to prepare for a holiday, my family would laugh at me. It would take me 2 weeks because I couldn't do it all in one, or 2 days, and I would have to do a lot of that. I'm a seamstress, and it took me 2 weeks to hem my granddaughter's prom dress this year because that's all I could work on it in each day. It's
because
20
sitting
minutes.
there created thoracic pain by your bra strap.
Yep. Absolutely. Swimming has affected me. I have a hard time swimming, and I'm hoping that I can get back into that. Riding a bike. My husband, we love to ride bikes, but I can only go a few miles. I can only walk a mile without my back.
And folks, this is the face of a patient who has suffered with pain for many, many years. You can see the pain on your face. And I want you to take a look at this video today in 6 months. And I want you to compare yourself 6 months from now to how you look today. And what you're going to notice is a gradual improvement of how you look.
That would be wonderful.
Because people in pain have that pain face.
I do have a pain face. And you
have a pain face. And what I've seen over the years is once we get rid of their pain, the pain face goes away. And they actually go back to looking like they were a lot younger. So it's incredible. I'm looking forward to seeing it in 6 months. Anything you want to tell your family and friends out there?
I am so grateful that I was able to find Dr. Deuk. I prayed, held my phone and said, find me the best doctor in Florida. Because I heard that your certifications were tougher than any other state. And I wasn't getting anywhere with other doctors. And Dr. Deuk has completely turned my life around. And I'm forever grateful for that. I'm excited to be able to enjoy things with my grandchildren and my kids and my husband. Maybe someday I'll leave the house and go out of state for a vacation because I kept on canceling trips because I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to function.
Because your surgery was done with such a small incision, did you take any pain medication? Do you need pain medication? Surgery.
I did take pain medication because I didn't know what to expect.
But those are the ones you were on before. You're
not
on new pain medication.
No, I'm not.
Yes. So remember when you had your artificial disc surgery? I'm sure they gave you narcotic painkillers, right?
Oh, they did.
And with the Deuk laser disc repair, did you need any narcotic painkillers after surgery?
No.
Yeah, because the incision is so small and there's no trauma done to your body from the surgery.
Even with the fusion, I thought I would be in a lot more pain than I was. I only took the pain medicines for 2 days.
Yeah. That's because of my fusion technique developed.
And I was fearful of that for 35 years. So Dr. Deuk has changed my life.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Thank you so very much.
Go back to enjoying life.
I will.
All right.
We'll learn how to do that.
All right, very good. Let's get you out of here.